Most people visualize wrong and train their brain to stay stuck. I'll give you a simple sequence that turns visualization into action, because it's not about visualizing more. It's about visualizing in a way that forces movement. Most people think the longer you visualize, the more it works. So why do 20-minute sessions feel powerful and change nothing? Because they're doing one thing that kills the whole effect. In a second, I'll show you the exact switch and the 10-3-1 sequence that turns visualization into action. It takes under a minute, and it includes one uncomfortable detail most people skip. Skip that detail, and visualization stays a dopamine hit. Now here's what's actually happening in your brain. Your brain can treat a vivid fantasy like a finished mission. You get the reward early. You feel like you already won, so your urgency dies. You calm down, and then you don't move. So the fix isn't more detail, it's less. Here's the method. It's called 10-3-1. First, 10 seconds. Don't visualize the whole journey. Don't do a montage. Only do the final 10 seconds, the moment it's done. The moment your body relaxes. And do it in first person, not watching yourself like a movie. That feels like someone else. First person. Feel your shoulders drop. Hear the room. Notice your breathing after it's finished. Second, 3 reps. Run that 10-second scene 3 times, then stop. Don't loop it for 20 minutes. Long looping turns it into entertainment. Short reps keep it sharp, like practice. Reset, practice, reset. Now the part people skip, because it feels uncomfortable. That's the point. Now here's that detail I mentioned earlier, the one that decides if this stays a dopamine hit or turns into action. If your scene feels smooth and easy, your brain files it as imagination, not instruction. Real life has friction, so your scene needs one moment of resistance. The awkward pause before you speak, the tight feeling right before you start, the second you want to back out, but you don't. Here's the rhythm. 10 seconds of the finish, 1 sentence about the hardest part, back to the finish. Now you're training your brain to push through resistance, not avoid it. And this is what makes it real. Within 24 hours, take 1 matching action. Small, but real. If you visualized finishing an application, open the tab tonight. If you visualize speaking up, send 1 honest sentence to your manager today. If you visualized working out, put your shoes by the door right now. That's it. 10 seconds, 3 reps, 1 friction point. Move within 24 hours. That's when visualization stops being fantasy and starts building your life.